Hello, we are opening today a SkyGenius 10x25 small binocular. Got these because I've actually got a boat trip this weekend. I do not have binoculars on the boat, and I wanted something that I could at least get a start with. I may end up, going for a bigger pair, like a 20X pair. And by the way, whenever you're looking at binoculars, the 10x25. The 10 is actually the magnification difference, the very first number before the X. So whenever you've got a 10, you're looking at a 10 magnification. The 20, of course, is a bigger magnification, more expensive. That number can go up and you're looking at much bigger and bigger binoculars. At this point, though, I just wanted something quick to get us through the trip, and this should do it. So we've got a lens cleaner, you've got a little strap, you've got a carrying case. Here's the actual binoculars. And these are adjustable in that you can probably use them for kids, putting them together, and then adults putting them like that. You've also got a little bit of a focus that you can use right here. The eyepieces are soft, so you'll be able to put these right up against your eye. And then there's the end. You've got a little thing here, so that way you can put your strap on, or you can put your strap on over here. You can pick whichever one you want, and you can use it as a wrist strap. Oh wait, is this designed to be a neck strap? Yes, this is designed to be a neck strap. So you'll be able to stick them in here. You've got these two adjustable things. You're going to have to run the one over here. It's not that big of a deal. And then you'll be able to put these through and put it on. So you've got your neck strap. I'm actually planning on keeping these in the cockpit. Probably not around my neck, but just so that way anybody can grab them, whoever needs them. Anyway, it's just the unboxing. I'll type up a review to tell you how well they work. Questions or comments, ask, and I'll get to them as soon as I can. Thanks a lot, guys.